How's it going, everyone? Wi-Fi family here. Wi-Fi pineapple.
Wi-Fi IT.
Wi-Fi mango.
And we are sick. No. All of us. He's sick. She's sick. They got sent home from school.
But he's only sick.
I'm sick too, but I don't have school. So, you know, I stayed home to take care of it. What are we doing today?
Opening up 6 booster packs.
All right, let's get to it.
Wi-Fi mango.
Yeah.
Can you just open it up just a little faster?
I can't. I'm a kid.
Yeah. Okay.
We're not gonna get the energy.
No.
We aren't. Why?
It's not my favorite thing to do.
Oh, you gave away a full card.
What?
All right, show the cards.
Okay, do all 4.
Swaddle.
Swaddle.
Skarmory.
Skarmory.
Jinx.
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 Jinx. Mantine.
Mantine, yeah.
Mantine.
Grubbin.
Grubbin.
Ooh, reverse hollow of the judge. And ooh, Zeraora. Is that a reverse or?
It's a hollow.
Oh, it's a hollow? That's a hollow?
No, that's a regular.
Oh, it's just a rare. Okay. What else we got? Fire energy. Okay.
And
Corvisquire. Sand slash. Swadloon.
Hey, it's the evolved form of Swaddle.
Swaddle. Yeah. You gonna open up another one?
Yes, please.
Oh no,
Go ahead, choose one.
The dog.
Choose a doggy.
Choose the doggy. The Bolton's right here, so you might choose him. Like our dog, Julie.
Like our doggy?
Yeah, we imagine if we could change his name to Bolton. Hey, yo, Bolton, fetch.
That'd be neat.
Yeah, Pokemon.
Dude, can you like? What's math? What does this mean?
I'll help you right here.
I'm just 6. You're 7. I'm 6. You're 8. I'm 6.
No, I'm 8. You just call me 7.
Yes, 8.
Pull out the card. Okay, we all know what's up.
Okay, we got a Rotom.
Rotom. Smeargle. Ah. Carvana. Clampert.
Ah!
Oh, more Pico.
We were just watching
Copperja. And Goodra.
Is that a rare?
Oh, yeah, that's a rare.
Energy.
Lightning energy.
Shiny thing.
Cramomatic.
Ooh.
Ninetales.
And
Oh, Frosmoth. That's it.
Nothing.
it looks like a connected card.
What?
It looks like a connected
It's
card.
not. Okay, it's Bert's turn.
We're not gonna guess the energy.
I
We aren't.
Nope.
Okay, fine.
I would get the energy in the front end.
We're not gonna guess the energy, but I'm still gonna do the trick.
Okay.
Fusion Strike. Oh wait. Fusion Strike energy.
Elasa Sparkle.
I like a Sparkle. Slingoon. Slugma. Satini.
Skitty.
Skitty. Flinks.
The Lynx. Choodle.
Chicken.
The chicken thing.
No.
Where are you going with this pet? Where are you going with this?
Goblin.
Oh. No, I can't see it. It's out of focus.
Oh, out of focus.
Maractus. And the lightning energy.
I'm going to open the last Genesis. Open all. How come we get no shinies? I don't know.
Because we don't ever guess energy now. For some odd reason. Because I don't want to guess energies ever again.
Okay.
Signy. Battle VIP Pass. I totally forgot its name.
Graveler.
Toxel.
Rookie D. Rookie D.
Glen.
Darumaka.
Staryu.
Mawile. Onyx. Ooh, Electros. Leaf Energy. Alright, my turn. Get out of here.
What?
Oops. Oops.
What?
Alright, let's kick it. What do we got first? Corvisquire.
That's the powerful of the
Spongy.
sponge gloves.
Spongy gloves, yeah. Clawitzer. Makuhita. Rookie D, this was the unevolved form of that, right? Galarian Darumaka. Sizzlipede. Whoops. Stuffle. Shroomish. And Azumarill. And that energy is gonna be
Water!
I think it's gonna be psychic. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Water!
Oh, we all got it right.
Oh.
Alright, first one up is that Lopunny, Farewell Bell, Ninetales, Slugma, Skitty, Phalanx, Choodle, Vullaby, Snom. Aw, that's cute.
It's so cute.
Ready? And then 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a Hollow Steelix. What do you think that energy is gonna be?
Fighting?
I think it's gonna be electric. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it was Leaf. It's time for our mail call.
And then can we open
Mail
more?
call time, guys.
Mail call.
And then can we open more?
No. Alright, so today we got some mail. Several cards that we ordered off of eBay.
Here's 5.
We ordered these from akariya.pokemon.cards, I believe.
Yep.
So this first one's gonna be this
Octillery.
And then we got Flygon V. This is out of the Starbirth set. This one is this is Cricketune V. It is off of the VMAX Climax set.
Yes.
This Morpeko. Oh wow, this is relatively older. This is from this older Sword and Shield set. Could not tell you what it's from, but someone's favorite Pokemon is what, Morpeko?
Yes.
Yeah, she really likes Morpeko. And then we got this Melodic V from another Sword and Shield set. We got these 3 cards in the mail this morning. This one came in as an extra. Actually, it's pretty neat. They also sent me these. We bid on them and we won them. So just adding these to our full art collection, I think that's part of the fun for us. Hopefully we can get more, but we'll see. Alright everyone, thank you for joining us.
Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Yeah, bye!